The next work problem says the bicycle wheel with a radius of 0.37 meters makes 100 revolutions. Find the arc length over which the wheel rolls. So you have 0.37 meters. So next to it is radius, so I'm going to call that R. And you have 100 revolutions, so that's an angle. And we're trying to find the arc length S. So what's happening is that you have a wheel. The wheel has a radius R, and the wheel rotates over over 100 revolutions. And as it does, it's going to move along this floor. And you're trying to find the distance that the wheel travels along the floor, or the arc length. And so this equation, the equation is going to be arc length is equal to radius times the angle, but the angle has to be in radians. So we have to convert 100 revolutions into radians first. So 100 revolutions, so convert to radians. Rev is on top, so put rev on the bottom and cancel. And we're going to go from revolutions to radians, and one revolution is 2 pi radians. So then in terms of radians, this is going to be 628.3 radians. And now we can plug in. So the arc length is going to be the radius, which is 0.37, multiplied by the angle in radians, which is 628.3, and that's going to be 232.5 meters. So let's try this word problem. It says a gear rotates at a rate of 15 radians per second. How long will it take for it to travel, or for it to travel 1005 radians, or I guess to rotate over 1005 radians. So try to pause, try to solve this, and when you're ready, unpause. Let's write down the givens. You have 15 radians per second, so that's an angular velocity, and 1005 radians, so this is an angle, and you're asking for how long, so t. So let's just see what's happening. You have a wheel. The wheel is spinning at an angular velocity omega, and in some time t, it's going to travel over this angle theta here, and we're trying to find out what is that time, t. So in this case, the equation is going to be angular velocity is going to be angle divided by time, and so we can just plug in angular velocity is 15, and the angle is 10:05, and divided by time. So the time is going to be 10:05 divided by 15, which is going to be 67 seconds.